Hello. Today we're diving into a story that's transforming the way we move, work, and even think about our planet. Let's talk about electric cars, the vehicles at the heart of a global revolution in transportation. For decades, electric cars were seen as little more than a curiosity. They were slow, their range was limited, and they often felt like science experiments rather than real alternatives to gasoline vehicles. But in just a few short years, everything has changed. Electric cars are now a common sight on city streets and highways, and the pace of adoption has been nothing short of astonishing. So, what sparked this dramatic shift? The first and perhaps most urgent reason is the environment. We've come to realize just how damaging petrol and diesel fumes are, not just for our health but for the entire planet. Air pollution, climate change, and the urgent need to cut carbon emissions have all pushed us to rethink our choices. In response, governments around the world have stepped in. They're introducing stricter emission standards, offering tax breaks, and even setting deadlines to phase out traditional cars. These policies are nudging both consumers and manufacturers toward cleaner, greener vehicles. But the real game changer has been the battery. Advances in battery technology have revolutionized what electric cars can do. Batteries that were once bulky, heavy, and prohibitively expensive are now lighter, more affordable, and capable of storing much more energy. This leap in technology has made electric cars not just possible, but practical for millions. Today, families can rely on electric cars for daily errands, commutes, and even road trips, something that seemed impossible just a decade ago. Environmental awareness, bold government action, and rapid battery innovation have come together to create the perfect conditions for change. Electric cars have moved from the fringes to the mainstream, capturing the imagination of drivers everywhere. The question isn't if electric cars will take over our roads, but how soon it will happen, and how it will reshape our world. The future of motoring is being rewritten before our eyes, with every new model and every innovation pushing us further into a new era. It's a monumental shift, one that's exciting, a little bewildering, and absolutely fascinating to witness. The spark of this revolution is only growing brighter. When you think of electric cars, Tesla is the name that stands out. In just a few short years, Tesla has become almost synonymous with the electric vehicle revolution, capturing the imagination of drivers and car enthusiasts around the world. They made electric cars fast, desirable, and cool, starting with a sports car, not a city runabout. By focusing on performance and style, Tesla shattered the old stereotype that electric cars were slow or boring, and instead made them aspirational. That bold move forced the industry to pay attention. Suddenly, electric vehicles weren't just a niche experiment, they were the future, and everyone wanted a piece of the action. Now, traditional giants like Volkswagen, Ford, and Hyundai are all in, leveraging their decades of experience to build electric versions of their most popular models. These companies are investing billions to electrify their fleets, determined not to be left behind as the world shifts away from gasoline. They offer comfort, reliability, and familiarity, just with a battery instead of a petrol tank. For many drivers, this means you can enjoy the same trusted brands and features you've always loved, but with the added benefits of electric power. This reassures loyal customers and makes the switch feel natural. Whether it's a family looking for their next SUV or a commuter searching for a daily driver, these brands are making the transition to electric as seamless as possible. The competition is fierce, and that's great for us. With so many automakers vying for your attention, innovation is happening at lightning speed, and the variety of choices keeps growing. Tesla's innovation pushed legacy automakers to get serious, and now those giants are pushing Tesla to keep improving. It's a cycle of constant progress, with each company striving to outdo the others in technology, range, and design. The result? More choices, better cars, and falling prices. As competition heats up, electric vehicles are becoming more affordable and accessible to everyone, not just early adopters. Whether you want a high-tech gadget on wheels or a dependable family car, there's an electric option for you. From compact city cars to rugged SUVs, the electric market now has something for every lifestyle and budget. This rivalry is accelerating progress at an incredible rate. New features, longer ranges, and faster charging are arriving every year, making electric cars more practical and exciting than ever before. The electric car market is now brimming with options. No matter your needs or preferences, there's likely an EV that fits your life perfectly. The The future is being shaped by both disruptors and established brands, working side by side, and that means a brighter, cleaner, and more exciting road ahead for all of us. While established brands electrify, a wave of startups is shaking things up. Companies like Lucid Motors and Rivian are pushing boundaries, Lucid with luxury and record-breaking range, Rivian with rugged electric trucks built for adventure. Lucid's Air can travel over 500 miles on a charge, easing range anxiety. Rivian's pickups are designed for the outdoors, showing electric isn't just for city slickers. These newcomers, free from tradition, experiment with radical designs and tech. Brands like Polestar and Fisker add even more diversity. Their fresh thinking keeps the industry on its toes. The result? More exciting, varied electric vehicles for everyone. The electric revolution is as much about new ideas as new technology. The pace of change in electric cars is astonishing. In just a few short years, what once seemed futuristic is now becoming the new normal. Electric vehicles are no longer a niche product. They're rapidly becoming mainstream, reshaping how we think about transportation and mobility. Today's EVs offer double or even triple the range of early models. 250 miles is now standard, with premium cars going even further. This means you can drive farther on a single charge, making electric cars a realistic option for daily commutes, weekend getaways, and even long road trips. Fast charging is transforming road trips. Add 100 miles in just 20 to 30 minutes at a service station. Charging networks are expanding rapidly, so it's easier than ever to find a spot to plug in, whether you're in the city or on the open highway. Electric cars are also getting smarter, built around advanced software and sophisticated electronics. Touchscreens, voice controls, and seamless smartphone integration are now standard, turning your car into a connected device on wheels. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and self-parking are now common. These intelligent systems help reduce driver fatigue, boost safety, and make every journey more relaxing. Over-the-air updates mean your car can improve overnight, just like your phone. New features, performance upgrades, and even bug fixes can be delivered while you sleep, keeping your vehicle at the cutting edge. This is a fundamental shift. Cars that get better with age, not worse. Your vehicle evolves, adapting to your needs and the latest technology, long after you drive it off the lot. The driving experience is safer, easier, and more enjoyable. Electric cars are quiet, smooth, and packed with features that make every trip a pleasure, whether you're driving solo or with family. Range anxiety is fading, and convenience is rising. Home charging lets you start every day with a full battery, and smart apps help you plan routes and find chargers with ease. Electric cars are now practical for almost everyone. From city dwellers to suburban families, there's an EV to fit every lifestyle and budget.